Gaeilge Weekly is brought to you by Learn Irish Online. For way more shows, videos, podcasts and courses for learning the language, head to learnirishonline.com or patreon.com/learnirishonline. Hello, Trónóna Ma. Well, Trónóna Ma Dumsa Arenos. Good afternoon. For me at least, mar tá méid tafadú hart a sé a chlog, no ddíreach riv a sé a chlog an fiú lá, the 20th míorh over of October. An tachtan seo agran céad is a seachteg de Gaeilge Weekly. Agus riv a husnaíam. Before I start, tá agam gach seachtain an budcréile nó beagnach gach seachtain arénos. Bín mission seo agus tosnaíam beidir le I'm fear of week goil to a géisteach leis an show. I'm very grateful you're listening to the show. Or míle buchas as we're good takeíochta. Big thank you for your support. Agus beidir tréis tamil Irene sé sin mar cliché. That becomes a bit of a cliché after a while. You know, má tú I gcónaí ag rán rud céanna. A ríis is a ríis is a ríis. Cailann sé beidir cuid gin chial atá leis. It loses kind of some of its sense, I guess, or some of its meaning or significance. Ach bhí mé géirí díreú isteach sin go tapaí roimh aon rud eile a rá an budcréile an tachtain seo. Agus in áir éire, just rá arís, gur míle maithagí as a bheith a géisteach le Gaeilge Weekly, as a bheith tacu le Learn Irish Online. Tá daoine ag géisteach le seo agus tá sibh se pórteach in nachrugd a dhéanam. There's people listening to this and you guys are involved with everything I do. You've bought courses on Learn Irish Online agus tá sibh beidir will an sin Patreon agus bín sibh ag géisteach le gach agrán de Gaeilge Weekly. Tá daoine eile agus beidir níl cent no pingín rua tugta Adam. You mightn't have given me a single cent or penny over the years, and this is your first ever show listening to Gaeilge Weekly. No bín tú ag éisteach beidir cuaig nóméid show amháin or amháin in aina mísa once per month mar hampla. Is cum alum gur míle mágad agus Jeremy sin mar tá a bhhad níos mó daoine ag éisteacht le seachtain nó ró a nús. An chéadín se caite, actually, bhí níos mó éisteoirí an lá sin Spotify or Apple Podcasts or gachát or Patreon freisin le haid na buil for the members. Bhí níos mó éisteoirí agin an tachtain caite an chéadín ná mar bhí agin aon lá rithe is star Gaeilge Weekly than any other day in the history of the podcast. So míle buchas más rud é gur éistóir nuathú fáilte seach tá súlagam go mhain hí sibh taitneamh as an budcréile. And a reminder, mearú beag as well. If this is too difficult for you, Matasha show ro Yakardich, we have the bilingual version starting from episode number 67 all the way up until every episode released nowadays. Oh, hartar agron shaska shacht go gach agron, well, 3 gach agron gudzi an lá atá inniuhaun. Agus Matasha show roiska, if this is too easy, head on to the full fluent version. It's féidir leat dul go dtí an legan níos líofa nó is líofa agus éisteach leis an gceann sin chun dúchláin beagáinín níos mó áil. Ach, arénos, sin as an meallach, just tuairt me, you know what, tá bhhad níos mó daoine ag éisteach le lán éisteoirí nua a chomh mála sin a lán daoine éisteach le gábhlín go le anis. A lot of people listening for the last 2.5 years. This week, 2.5 years ago, 2 years and 6 months, Gábhlín agus séhí Gábhlín go le an tachtain sa a churméid amach an héad agran to Gaeilge Weekly, the first edition or the first episode of the show. Arenos, sé chlog Trónóna mar a dúirt mé, so 6 o'clock in the afternoon, as I said. Ach, tá cafe os mo chóir. I have a coffee here in front of me. Tá fós sách thuirseach is tócha níos mó ná aon rud eile tá mé thuirseach margheall an rás a rinne mé inné. Níl is agam actually an tachtain caite an raume ag labhairt faoin rás nó luí mé an rás an tachtain caite ach Arénos, né rinne mé Ross 10 kilometer Tá mé ag déanmhuireacht is tócha séisiúr ceart a dhéanamh madra leis an ri. Trying to do kind of a proper season, I guess, in terms of running, in terms of races. You know, take ná seachas Peidir an saoire apart from the summer, mar just an seo is sa bhfuil tá sé roiche chun aon rud a dhéanamh I ri an tairí. Take ná I ri na bliana bín méid ri gá nó 3 ó in na seachtainna. Beidir má tá méid tréanál le ha rud éigen le for something specific bín méid déanú ceir lá in na seachtainna. Ní bhíon mé rógáfa le Strava agus tracking agus rudí mar sin, just sé amach agus, you know, tá mé imime chonaí imime éonar bín mé gobar an laptop tíhaiste an lá fad, you know, nervhín mé gobar bín men seo imime éonar agus ag gobar an laptop. So just níos mó ná aon rud eile hit mé isteach sa chahabhaimsre nó sa sport seo kind of fell into this hobby or this sport just trí a bheith ag iarraí dul amach agus beagnaíon éir aáil agus beagnaíon achlíocht aáil agus is tócha tá an scéal céine ag a lán daoine na léithanta seo. Ach bhí rás agam néad tá méid déanamh iireacht im líana rásaí anmh gach mí idir mí bheán fómhar, so bhí an chéad rás agam thart 3 seachtain ó hin ag Jeremy bheán fómhar agus an cean seo, an deir seachtainna seo, tá leat marathon ag teach sús I mína saoanna, I mína nullag, tá mé hon an Fields of Athenry 10k a dhéanamh lá Stéphane, agus leanhí mé rá seans má go dtí níl sagam thart beidir mí bealtainna nó mí meitheamh tá rás jazz hús I Pamplona agus bhí mé imime chonaí I Pamplona ceithre bliain ó hin lá in Erasmus. I was living in Pamplona 4 years ago for the Erasmus, so I gcónaí bín rás an sin thart mí meitheamh thart an 5 lá around the 20th of the month lap marathon. So is matlam an smaoinmh ghfuil le hon críicnú le sin agus tógan sé sin beagnaíon struchtúir is dócha don séisiúr. Agus mar dúirt mé an teachtain sa catsa an bod creile, tá mé géirí beidir dul níos muile, mar tagart an sin chuig teidil an fud creile an teachtain sa catsa. So I want to go a bit slower, a little kind of reference to the name of the podcast last week. Just in general life and just enjoy things more in áit a bheith anna gafa le mar hampla sample ma sin an a good kind of example. That's the running in áit a bheith okay 1:30 half marathon tá mé géirí é sin I anniversation sin 1:25 agus tá mé géirí, you know, dul an seo agus 3 times a week in áit a bheith gafa leis an hihir go just dul níos muile. Níl mé ag leabhar trí literally ag dul níos muile ag réim, not talking about literally running slower, low. That might be the end result, but just training when I want to train. Ag train all nuair atá mé géirí train all ágáil mun bhfuil mé ag géirí train all, and just that kind of realisation as I spoke about last week. Ag tuairt fao deara an rud sin mar a luí mé agus mar a rá mé ag labhairt faoi an teachtain sa gcaitear. Like yesterday, I did 43 minutes in this 10k race, so in rinne mé 3 nóméid is carcha sa rás 10 kilometer. And I thought, you know, if I did 40 minutes in that, must rudé gon yarna make carcanomid ishin, or if I did 50 minutes or an hour, or 45 or 48, carchocht, carca 3, carca cuig, quaiga, or 1, like, what difference does it make to my life? Can't you frucht the Ian and shed my hell? I can only speak for myself, ni feidslum lawach ach dum hain. Agus ní ana se mór na rud is tábhatíí ná bhfuil mé ag buint taithna. Now, ní bheadh mé ag buint taithna just showing up láids an rás gan éon tréinál, you know, buinem taithna an tréinál, ach beidir fa tamil nó le tamil an ús, bhí méid déanamh an nummarcha tréinál. So just ag géirí an chorthrumaíocht sin agus bhí sé sin me insín inné ag olbhút an rás a chomh maith le sin ag ri an rás. That was on my mind kind of yesterday, preparing for the race, but also, as well as that, running the race, while running the race, thinking, enjoy this. This is what it's about. This is the end goal, just to do this race. In áit, this is training now for this one, and that one's going to be to this time. Mar, when you get the happiness, you know, can táú chun an sonas sin a bhaint amach as. Agus, tá mé lán sásta. le rá gur deirí le sin agus gur bhfuin méid taitnamh as an rás trí nóid is carcha sa deara. Ceapan go sé sin go má tá carcha nóméid déanta agam rimhe ach bhí mé beidir beagganí níos aclaí an sin agus rith mé rás níos fearr ach is cumlam faoi sin. Faoi láthair just a géirí taitnamh a bhaint agus sa bheith in an taitnamh a bhaint as rudí léithúla níos mó kind of being able to enjoy more daily things a bit more. And if you want to hear more, má tá tú i géirí chlostal níos mó faoi na rudí sin sé chuig an bud créile a churméid amach an tachtain sicáte episód céad séideag mar bhí méid labhairt san episód sin ó bhád níos mó faoin stócan faoin próséis sin agus an athrú sin ó bhfuil mé ag déanú earlock there, so the kind of processor, this kind of idea that I'm trying to work on and trying to get better on. Ach rud amháin freisin a bhí ar ma insín le tamil anús ná mar éannach in chonaí sa Spáin inis le ceithre bliana go le nó 5 bliana anús ar nó i tugam faoi deara na difriochtaí idir an Spáin agus éire. Agus listen, mar dearm I gcónaí ar an bud créile, as I say very often or always on the podcast, ní matlam rá tá gach rud a bhád níos fearr an seo, ach ag an am céanna ní matlam rá tá mé géirí a bheith ras an éireann tá gach rud níos fearr in éireann. Tá lán rudaí agus tá siad níos fearr an seo, there's a lot of things they're better here, agus tá lán rudaí in éireann agus tá siad níos fearr an sin. Mar hampla. Sampla an éasca, tá naimsre níos fearr an seo, tá cultúr bhia a bhád níos fearr acu ach tá an bureaucracy go thuúfásach. In éireann, beidir níl tú céad fan géad sásta leis an bureaucracy a gealamdit. I promise you, tá sé fós a bhád níos fearr ná an Spáin. Tá bhád níos mó postanna le fáil in éireann. There's a lot more jobs available in Ireland. Tá sé andeacair chun post all an seo go háirithe muna bhfuil beidir cáilíocht ad, especially if you don't maybe have a qualification. So this, and I won't go deep into those things because it's not the place where it's really ní mé chun labhairt faoin na rudí sin mar ní an áit I seo chun é sin dhéanamh ach níl mé am a sanolaí ach an éard. I'm also just not an expert at all, and those just examples kind of give you an idea. Should just cúpla sampla hun is tógus smuoinmh a thuirt ditch nó barúla a thuirt ditch. Ach rud ag an bháin agus ceapan ghfuil an rás in dhé mar hampla ma just seo. I think the rás yesterday was a good example of this. Agus arís ní mé grá go bhfuil ceann amháin níos fearr ná ceann eile, just go bhfuil si difriúil ná tugam faoi deara níos mó agus níos mó, go bhfuil an Spáin a bhád níos socially ná éireann. Now that word doesn't mean sociable or social, it means socialist. So socialach for socialist and then more socialist níos sociálaí. Agus go bhfuil éire a bhád níos capitally. Arís ní mé grá go bhfuil ceann amháin níos fearr ná ceann eile agus níl mé an labhairt faoin bolíocht an seo. I'm not going to say one's better than the other and not going to speak politically, but the race yesterday is a good example. Is sampla ma an rás in é níos mó ó thaobh sucíide, more in terms of societally, is that a word? Sociologically, beidir, than politically. So in é bhí an rás seo ar siúl, doscail na antrálaithe. So the entrance is opened 2 weeks ago. Agus bhí man an chuirsteach an rás chosní sé €8 or €7 ach is com éireann os thart ar 8 nó €7 seachtaíour craige dearan. Let's say beidir €7.50. Agus lei sin tá tú bhfuil an dul seach sa rás fáonn tú iver chun chur ar de tíléine nó chun chur ar de bríos de guards. Cumh maith le sin find to chip, so it's féidir that folks actually níl an chip time feice agam. I still haven't seen my chip time caiithme é sin a cheáil díreach iní an fudcréile seo a chréichnú ach find tú ceann ceart leis an chip agus tá agam tá lán rásaí agus níl ein chip acu agus cumh mála sin find tú tíléine. You get a t-shirt as well with the name of the race, just a classic normal t-shirt you'd get for kind of any 10k or 5k or half marathon or marathon race. Lean Ross 2k no 10k no lap marathon no marathon no einrod mar sin agus sin le haid €8. Now, couple caveat I gcónaí bíon éannig ag leabhart faoin Spáin agus an Nidal agus an Fortingals rá tá sínta cumh sir agus tá sé well níl sé cumh sir má tá tú I do chonaí an segus má tá tú I gobar an seo tá dear gurmsa. I'm very lucky that I have an online job. That's not really connected to Spain ach an chuid is móid daoine an seo tá siad ag tuile agus fiú daoine le posta an maithe tá siad ag tuile beidir 1500 thart sin beidir an mián. Tá cúpla duine agus beidir má tá post anmha acu tá siad ag fáil níos mó ná sin. Maybe if someone has a very good job or is very experienced they might get more than that, but generally about 1500 a month. Agus John Rudd nar germ gohfuil sin ní socially. No, it kind of doesn't matter what job you have. Of course, it does matter. But there's not that much of a gap. Níl mór an barna idir na daoine nach bhfuil ag tuile mór agus na daoine a bhfuil ag tuile a lán airgid. The gap isn't really that big between the highest and the lowest earners. So, on the minimum on seo, in aine mísa ceapan ghfuil sé thart ar 1,100, about €9 an hour, thart ar €9 in aine thura, thart ar 1,100 in aine mísa, 1,100 per month gross. Agus an sin, fiú na daoine le post an bhá, seans gohfuil siad ag tuile 2,000, 2,200. Even people with very good jobs might make 2,000, 2,200. So, níl mór an difric did éireann, tá difric dulmhór daoine ar minimum wage, beidir gohfuil siad sin ar 1,600, 1,700, agus an sin beidir gohfuil cóid acu, agus tá na cóide sin ag tuile 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 in aine mísa. So those friends, they're very high up in corporate or pharmaceutical or tech, whatever, seans gohfuil siad ag tuile, they might be earning 6, 7, 8 thousand per month, whatever it is. So here there's more so everybody kind of makes the same amount now. Because of that, there's probably less motivation to improve your career and to improve your situation. Beidir mar ealar sin níl an spragu céanna chun leanúint rá agus post níos fearr all agus promotion all. The idea of promotions, people don't really talk about promotions here. People don't talk about work in general here. Ní bhíon daoine ag leabhart faoin obair go generalta an so bíon daoine ag leabhart faoi rudí eile agus ní tosíochta tócha é don na daoine an seo. It's not really a priority for the people here. Ach mar hampla an rás an rud tá buint le sin ná an rás sin é sin sampla de lán rudí atá sir nó sir an ascan seo. So cénach bhfuil na daoine ag tuile mór an airgid, even though people aren't earning much money. Níl mór an rudí gur caithfidh siad íoch as. No, níl mór an rudí gur caithfidh siad íoch a lán airgid as tú. So there's not many, even though they're not making much money, there's also not really a lot of things that they have to pay for, that they have to pay a lot of things for. So you have those races on yesterday, for example, it would be way more privatised. There wouldn't be. This one yesterday was sponsored by the council. Bhíonn ceann seo I go fortíocht leis an Górla Chundé, or an el Ayuntamiento, mar dearann siad an seo, the kind of council, the county council, not the council here, but, or not the county council here, but the Ayuntamiento. It's called Town Hall, basically, so that's why it's so cheap. Obviously, it costs way more than what each entry is to run. For that person, ar nó I chosníonn sé bhád níos mortgage, ná mar chosníonn sé le haig gach duine, ach bíonn an rialtas áitiúil agus an rialtas náisiúnta ag tabhairt an target sin, agus is cuma really fiú muna bhfuil job agat is féidir leat chuirteach ar an rás sin sure ní chosníonn sé ach €8. Even if you don't have a job, you could go in for that race. It only costs €8. Tá numper paibli a wad ní sira. Ní chosníonn sé ach 30 cent nó 40 cent. It only 30 cent, 40 cent gachor úsáidin tú an tram, an bus, an metro, and so on, agus mar sinja. And there's a lot of other things you could point at as well, whether it be insurance, whether it be cost of buying a house or renting, an costas beidir ag buint le teacha now fóstá lán faiban acu an seo le tíocht. They still have a lot of problems here with housing. Ach mar hampla tá tú an seomra all ar cís an seo le beidir 200 sa cuige nó fiú €300. So you can get a room for rent, half decent room for €250 or €300 per month. Agus in éan is tócha agus éis just tugann tú faoi deara na rudí seo gaiirí beagganí ní sinne ag dólidir éireachs an Spáin mar hampla an dear seachtainna seo this weekend. I'll be going back to Ireland for a week or so. By me ag filarrás é ar fas seachtain nó thart ar sin. Agus éis listentá lán míhhantátí leis an gcóras an seo freisin. There's a lot of disadvantages with the system here as well. The obvious one is people make very little money. A lot of people I know here have never really travelled abroad. Tá aithne go mar Londíon segus níl really aon taistil déantaach acu thar lear, because as much as earning $1,500 a month might be fine within Spain because a lot of your stuff is paid for and the economy is very insular and stays cheap, being ruddy ag fannacht sir, agus cove math le sin, íochtar asalán ruddy ditch, a lot of things are paid for you, such as the public transport or these races or whatever. And infrastructure in general, the health system is very good here. On course launch on the one show, that money doesn't really get you very far if you go abroad. Mahin to harlar. Can you imagine someone again only earning 1,200-1,300 like a lot of people do here? Ag tilabéidir gá chéad is míle-1 or 3 chéad is míle-1, trying to do a week in Dublin on holidays. Ag déanamh hun seachtain mlá lia. No few seachtain sa Yarman, no áit ag an mar sin, even a week in Germany on holidays. Where are you going to get the money from? So tá míhhantátí le sin freisin agus rís níl méid rá gohfuil ceann amháin níos fearr nó ceann eile. Ach beidir gohfuil sé simú le daoine chun smaoine faoi sin agus na difriochtaí agus is tócha seoiad na difriochtaí a thugann tú faoi deara agus tá sa thar lear. These are the differences you kind of notice while you're abroad. And the difference then that makes in society and how people interact with each other for good or for worse. An difricht sin sa sochaí agus an chuí a bhín daoine ag meascú le chéile. And as well as that, you know, the different businesses, there's very few Spanish businesses that do well worldwide, and maybe that's because there's very little incentive for people to build a business here, and taxes are very tough here if you're self-employed. Tána cánacha an deachar an seo mas rud ag bhfuil tú féin hostaithe. So ceapam, you know, fiú rás beag agsúla sin a bhí agam inné. Tá spáinan sé a launch in a difriochtaí beidir idir an dá hir, agus an sin tá launch here helas in Europe le rud ag an gomlan difriúil with something completely different. It's not just a binary thing. Ní rud binary atá an black and white dubh agus bán. Tá sé wad níos letna ná sin. It's a lot broader than that. And I just thought, I thought that was interesting thinking about that, even though I really don't know where I stand on it. Níl sagam really few céannáit a cheasam sin. Ach yeah, mar luí mé an sin, tá plán agam hundul arás go héireann an deir seachtainna seo. Tá eitilt curtha in áirithe agam an ine. Madsen sé híine agus ba méid fannach just in nádiamh fas seachtain a bháin ná normally I rint na bliana chéimeráis, so aon den na nua ag éislig le seo tá mise I mo chónaí is Seville, bhí mé I mo chónaí in Barcelona agus mar a dúirt mé I Pamplona freisin sa Spáin cúpla bliana ó hin. Ach na léinn de seo tá mé I mo chónaí is Seville lán I'm sure is tóca full time and certainly plan to be here for another few years at least. An plan atá agam ná fannacht an seo fa cúpla bliana eile a laiad. And so I try to go back home, and very lucky to be able to go back home about 3 times a year. Tá dearagurm chuna bheith in an dullarás hartar 3 or in aina blina. I know a lot of people listening to this Irish abroad in the States, san Stáit Aontaithe, san Austral, Nua Héileán, and you guys might get to go home once every 3 or 4 years even, or just once at Christmas, or never maybe. And bitter ní hainship while you reeve. So I'm very lucky to live in Europe, and it's a quick 2-hour, 2.5-hour flight back to Dublin. Hartar gá or go le rashka come Lochlia, no Kirkig, Shannon, wherever, agus an sin cúpla or an mus go Galliv. So that's the plan for this weekend. Very much looking forward to Sheikh Tanu go mór leis. I've already been twice this year, and I'll be going at Christmas as well. So bhí mé gá or on Imlína agus by me ag fillarás an sin I mín lug. But I said, you know what, it's a long time to be waiting from the start of August, bheith fannacht ó hús mí lúnasa, all the way until Christmas, over 4 months, almost 5 months even. Níos mó na ceithre bhí, beag na cuaig bhí without being home. And I said, you know what, I should make it more of a priority to go home in general, since I have the chance, and I'm lucky to be in chance. And again, mar dúirt mé a lán daoine timpplain down na lán éireann ag gach a lán daoine as chuid sér níl an chance ach ríis, ag dul raspaig an téma river show going back to the previous theme, the amount of South Americans I know living in Spain, and no way, they haven't been home in 4, 5, 6 years. Ní rá sheets in a rash America, Chiasa, Colombia, no Ecuador, like Kera, no Cuig, no Shea, Blina, and they've no plans to even go back even for Christmas or anything. They'll plan naku and Dolarash if you lie in nullig because Arish can't quite will she ton on target at all if even they have a very good job here. They're not going to be able to afford flights. So it'd be 2 months' salary. Beidir Gomech or who, gá víd and fá atá acu I chundul arash with America. Yeah, so very lucky in that sense. And tontá dearagurm madger leshin. And yeah, it's funny, that when I went back during the summer, agus misha ag dularash ira an tauri seo, I had a lot of kind of different plans, and I was in Belfast for the Tradfest for my house in Mail Firsta, done Tradfest, and I went down to Kerry to visit a friend who may go chun na Curie, hun Corcho Horch Chara, Lomon Shin. And this time I don't really have many specific plans. On our show, níl mór an plan na áirithe agam. It's just kind of a lot of general stuff and the small stuff kind of when you get to a point of going back, I guess again, especially I think a lot of the Irish in Europe and in England will be able to relate to this ceapan. Go my keel ag seo le a lant in a hair and ag sonora agus sa sasna because you're back more often and several times a year, even once a month or whatever for maybe people in England. Dini an sin a sasna ag dul ras beidir or one in aina misa no cúpla or in aina blina a fair few times per year. It's not like a big deal for people to see you. It's like, oh, you're back next week, are you? Cool. And I'll see you again in a month or two. Beidir who call Arish Igyan me no go. It's kind of nice because you don't have to be meeting up with everyone and making a big deal out of everything. And there's no kind of big anti-culture shock or reverse culture shock thing to call it where you go back home after a long time away. Just gná the town. Agus tá sé níos éasca taitnamh a bhaint as na rudí beaga, like a few plans I've written down for next week. Head into the Orlan Hotel and just chill out in the sauna and the steam room and chat to a few people there. Lauert le cúpla duine an sin ché steach chuig an Orlan agus an sauna agus an steam room. Am chahu mufuin tua tá mé I choní a lór sa bhil, so bín lán daoine timppla na háit níl mór an porcanna agin an seo, níl mór an wildlife agin, so ag tanú le just a bheith muid cúpla siúlóid ar na backroads. Pionta bíimeis a bheith agam, tá mé team bíimeis óhád níos mó ná Guinness gandát, so pionta bíimeis a bheith agam, cúpla cluthe snooker a bheith agam, agus ag smaoinemh actually faoi beidir ceacht snooker a dhéanamh san Eglinton an sin I gcathair na Gaillimh. Just siúl timpeall cathair na Gaillimh, siúl timpeall Shop Street, Air Square, rís agus beidir go bhfuil sé seo ceangailte leis an rud around me ag labhairt faoi river. This might be connected to the thing I was talking about before, just to get that of Winchester rud ag an gone, like rud ag an eile of Winchemachas without kind of even expecting anything back or working towards a type of goal, just enjoying being able to walk around Galway City without even any objective or any kind of end goal. So yeah, ag tanú go mór le sin agus just bheith rationáileh agus gan éon plan mór a bheith agam. Agus yeah, tatan bhaint as an cúpla lá dearnach rih a haon na clig arash, rih na haon na clig sheer or óán eile before the clocks go back and we kind of begin to enter the winter. Agus tasníon mud just dóch ag dridjim leis an gíomhre. I've had luck on Mesh Éireann. Bhí mé ag cathú súil an sin Mesh Éireann ach fós Beidir tá mé sé ag tafadú an luúin. I'm recording on Monday and going back on Friday, so Beidir go bhfuil sé róú a fós chun is bheith agam ach dúirt sé seans má go mé sé fór lán sásta mátá sé fór fully happy or no problem, at least níl fibre bit agam mátá sé fór. Just please be dry for the most part and not raining. It's gone a bheith fluck. But even then, after, I mean, it's probably rained 2 days here since the start of June in Seville. So that's June, July, August, September, and now most of October. I think there's been 2 days of rain. Ceapan gá lá de bháiste agin an seo, and very few even showers or mist or anything. Ní raibh real ceathana agin no aon rud mar sin. So even a small bit of rain, try and make the most of it, but it just stops you from going out doing things, I guess, stopping sé who have like dull amach agus ag Jane and ruddy. But very much looking forward to that, and yeah, just keep on working, I suppose, on the things I mentioned last week. Is dócha cuineáil le go burn na rudí a Louis May and Tachtan's catch less time social media, just more time in real life, slowing down, just enjoying heading outside for a walk, breathing in the air, and that's the end goal instead of working always towards something in it's just a bheith gcónaí gulper. Is dócha I dro rud éigean eile a bheith in an taitneamh bhaint as an rud atá díreach os mo chóir. So yeah, sin é. Guys, níl mór an eile, agam tasúla go mrís ní rá an Tachtan seo rócha ire ach licúna dé bhain sibh taitneamh as an agrán sin, agus mar dúirt méid tús an frod creile. Tá mé fear bhuaich as an takeíocht in náir atá sagam go níor mé sin gach seachtainach in áir tá sé an chuil domsa, hon goil go le ecail an sin sa top 60 in the Apple Podcast charts an Tachtan seo in éireann agus níl mór an podcréiltí náisblacha hús an sin. There's not many independent podcasts out there that aren't connected to a big newspaper, a big radio station or big media organisation. Níl mór an podcréiltí hús an sin nachfuil ceangailte le stáisiún radio, le stáisiún telefíse nó is tócha cólacht mián mór. So tá mé fear bhuaich as sin agus bródúil as sin comhma. Arénos, leróid lecúna dé an Tachtan seo thugan, níl me céad fan géad cínse, still not 100% sure will I do an episode while I'm back next week. Ceapan ghfuil mé chun ceanna dhéanú agus an mic óhairt ach fan go bheicimiid ach munhfuil by Mirage Arénos an Tachtan dar gion. If we don't, there'll be an announcement and we'll be back the week after. Buin taitneamh as an Tachtan, buin taitneamh as an deir seachtainna, guys. Míle buchas, goodbye and God bless, slán agus bannacht.